Alright, we're on the road. We started exactly at 9:25. We stopped after this big hill. It's a doozy. We had a cold night's sleep at the Greasy Creek hostel in the bunkhouse with a man who snored really, really loud. Sounded kind of like a bear.
But I knew the door was locked. We saw the key that locked us in. We didn't find her in at all.
Alright, so what do you think? It's hard. We think it's really hard. We're at 5,200 feet. Climbed like 10,000 miles, a million miles, 2,000 feet, up and down. We gotta go another 900. Headed to a Roan high knob shelter. We're gonna collapse. Yes! Alright. We're about 5,000 feet. How's everybody doing? Okay, so we met James and Tupac and Pooch.
No rain.
Where are you, Ronnie? Let's see you. There you go.
Rambler.
Our first real So we are about 5 miles from Roan Mountain. We stopped for lunch. We kind of went the wrong way for a while. Those guys are up there. We went on a purple blaze. I haven't seen one of those. Roan High Knob. There's a chimney, so we passed it.
Is that the shelter?
Yes, because that's the chimney. I see it.
Jump on in.
Plenty of room.
Oh, there's plenty of room upstairs.
Awesome. Going in?
Yes.
Okay, so we have options. Are there people upstairs yet?
There's like three.
Three?
Just
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad to be here. That sucked. For a first day, man, that was crazy.
You guys just did a section?
Yes.
Oh, I thought to talk to you guys earlier, right?
Possibly.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Probably.
Oh my gosh.
You didn't have to go to this granola bar.
Yeah, shouldn't have given them away.
Oh, we got plenty of food. I'm ready to give more away.
Oh,